Hi everyone, Sora App is not available in your App Store in Germany or anywhere in Europe. Probably OpenAI is just exploring the app, so it's not available in Germany, Italy, France or other countries in Europe yet. No worries, it's Deon here. Today I'll show you how to download and install Sora app step by step just using a simple trick. So let's get started without wasting time. Before we start, let's quickly check if Sora 2 is available in the European App Store. I am opening the App Store on my iPhone using my German region Apple account. Now let's search for Sora. Nothing here. No official Sora 2 app found. You will see only unrelated results. Since Sora 2 isn't available in Europe yet, we will need a US Apple account to download it. Don't worry, it's super easy. I will show you how to do it step by step. I am doing this on my desktop browser, but you can easily do this on any mobile browser too. First, connect your VPN and switch to a US server. This makes sure Apple website detects you as being in the US region. Now search for Create Apple Account and visit this link. I will give the link in the description. You will see a form where you can fill in your details. Add your email address, create a password, enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Next, scroll down and set country or region to United States. Then agree to the terms and conditions and click Continue. Apple will now send a 6-digit verification code to your email. Open your Gmail inbox, copy the code and paste it here to verify your account. Your US Apple account is now created. Now let's switch back to your iPhone and sign in with this account on the App Store. If you find this video helpful, you can press the like button and subscribe my channel for my future videos. First, connect your VPN again and switch to a US server. That's important because it tells the App Store you are browsing from the US region. Now open your App Store again, go to Setting, press on your name, sign out of your current European Apple ID. Now tap Sign In and enter the email address and password of your US Apple account we just created. Apple will send a verification code to your Gmail. Open your Gmail, copy that 6-digit code and enter it here. Then you will get a 2-factor authentication code on the phone number you used during Gmail creation. Don't worry, any country number works. Just approved or enter the code. And done. Now I am officially logged in to my US Apple. Now let's search for Sora again. And here it is. The Sora 2 app is finally visible. Go ahead and download it. It will install normally, just like any other app. If your download stops in the middle, just like mine did, don't worry. Simply disconnect your VPN, wait a few seconds, and then connect it again to a US server. Once you are connected, go back to the App Store and tap Download again. Probably you already know that the Sora invitation code is not necessary anymore. Anyone can use Sora app without any invitation code. But in your case, if it's still asking for the invitation code, you can see this 1-minute video here and I will paste the link in the description. So in this video, you can generate the invitation code for your own. Okay, the download is complete and now the Sora 2 app is ready to open. In this part, I will show you how to create your perfect avatar or Cameo and how to make a stunning video with it. So watch till the end because you will love this part. Once you open the app, just press this plus button to start creating your own video. Then tap Add Yours to begin making your Cameo. To get a good result, follow these simple tips. First, stay in front of a clean, plain background that helps the AI detect your face better. Try to smile a little, because if you don't, the AI might bless you with some weird extra tips. Then you will see 3 numbers appear on the screen. You have to say them quickly so the app can capture your voice and expressions. After that, follow the on-screen instruction. Turn your face right, left, up and down when it tells you to. Don't worry, it doesn't work first time. It usually takes a few tries. I had to do it 4 times and it finally worked on the 4th one. Your Cameo is ready now. You can start creating amazing AI videos instantly. And in the next part, I will show you exactly how to do that step by step. Okay, now let's create a fun video using my Cameo. I am actually talking to myself inside the video. Now, in the text prompt, you will see your Cameo name. Mine says Creator Rig. So I will write this. Creator Rig is talking with Creator Rig about how to access Sora in Europe. Now just press enter and watch how the AI turns this into a funny video. It's crazy. In your profile, you can see that the video is generating. So when you will go to your profile, you will see the video is generating in the draft. The video is ready to see now. Let's see the result.
Trying to figure out how to access Sora 2 here in Europe. Do you know what to do? Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Sign into your account, set the region to the EU if it isn't already, and you'll see Sora 2 in the store. So no tricks like using a VPN?
Now let's see some example videos I made with Sora 2.
Step 1. Tell your story to ChatGPT. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to craft the perfect Sora 2 prompt. Step 3. Copy that prompt and paste it into Sora 2. Step 4. Watch the magic happen. Better prompts mean better videos. Craft the perfect Sora 2.
I got it. I've lost my shoes.
The height license? Sure, it's in there.
Afternoon, sir. May I see your driving license?
Sure, it's in there. Maya, pass it over.
From the cow, huh?
All right.
Everything looks good. You're clear to go. Fly safe.
Appreciate it, officer. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.